We are conditioned from childhood that everybody we meet, and maybe I know as a parent I had to sort of stop this a little bit, and maybe you understand what I'm getting ready to say. Not everybody's your friend. Did you know that? Not everybody, I mean, a lot of good folks, don't get me wrong, but not everybody is your friend. There's a world out there that is got a lot of bad in it. And certainly at church you don't see that very often, but for the most part, most people, we have friends, we know they're good folks. But there's a world out there that's not your friend. The Catholic priest said that he conservatively estimated that 25% of people are possessed or have a demon. And you're like, what? That sounds like some, crazy. That's crazy. Maybe it is. Maybe it's not.